Hello, this video is on how to find Logic's install folder and how to open that in Windows Explorer. You may need to do that if we send you custom report or a log screen or something, or for maintenance things that we may ask you to do for tech support. We had one gentleman who was getting errors. Apparently his prefix table was corrupted, so advised deleting the prefix table and installing the latest update to get a new prefix table back, and everything should be good. He asked for more guidance on how to do that, so I'm making this video. Programs are typically installed in your C drive, and you have program files or program files x86. A 64-bit machine is going to have a program files x86 that 32-bit programs get installed into, and Logic is a 32-bit program, so that's where it gets installed by default. I can just go there the hard way, and actually right there it is. But let's say I don't know that, or Logic can be installed anywhere. You don't have to install it there. And people call me and say, well, I didn't install it there. I can't remember where I installed it. Well, I have no idea. Fortunately, it's easy to find. Just go to your shortcut. Find a shortcut to Logic, or it could be down here. I've got one on my desktop there. Or I could have one down here in the Start menu. There's one. Okay, and that's actually a third party, kind of emulates the Windows 7 or Windows XP Start menu. Here is my Windows 10 Start menu, and I go there to Properties, and I have Open File Location. This is a little bit different if you do this. This way, if you're going through the Windows 10 stuff, Windows 8's probably the same way. Notice it takes me to where a Logic shortcut is. It doesn't take me to Logic itself. I'm not really sure why that is, because if I go, click on that, Logic will run, okay, I got an error because I deleted the prefix table, and making the video, the audio was bad, so I started over again. Pause a minute and fix that. I fix Logic, but it's back working again. And even though this is like a shortcut to a shortcut, I don't really understand it, but Logic does run now. We're back to where we started. I'm going to close that. Also, the same deal if I come down here and go to my Cortana thing, which type Logic in here, and I get another search result up here, and again it works, but if I right click, it's going to take me to do it again, typing Logic down in the little Cortana window, Open File Location. It takes me to a shortcut, but all I have to do, just like I did to the shortcut on my desktop, I just go to the Properties for the shortcut, and there it's taking me. That makes more sense when I do that. I click on OK. Whoops. Properties. And Open File Location. There's where Logic's installed. See, it's got the Logic exe on it. It's how I know that that's, where Logic is actually located. Click Open File Location, and there it is. Okay, so the prefix table is in Data. And there it is, prefix DBF. Some files don't have their extension showing, like this one, it just has prefix exceptions. I could go into View, make this window a little narrower. I can go into View, and it shows file name extension. So it's good. I usually leave that turned on, but if you don't, you can still kind of figure it out. There'd be a prefix DBF and a prefix CDX. They'd both just show up as prefix. Again, depending on how your computer's set up. On mine, it happens to, these aren't registered type, so it shows them anyway. But so I go to properties, and it says, a CDX file. So I want the DBF file. I'm going to right-click it and hit delete. Okay, it's gone. By the way, I can't be running logic when I delete any files in there or replace any files because they're open. You'll probably get an error. Okay, so we're good to go. I'm going to go run logic again. Okay, going to go up here and click on my shortcut to the shortcut. And I get an error. The prefix file isn't found. Okay, back where we were. Now I'm not going to attempt to continue. Now, all I have to do to fix this is go install the logic update. Go to our web page, hosenose.com. Going to scroll down to the bottom. Oops, didn't mean to do that. And go under News and click here for the latest logic update. It takes me to the forum or wherever we're putting the logic updates at the moment. I click that, download it. It'll install the missing prefix table as per the instructions I sent to the gentleman in email, and the program will be good to go, hopefully. So, sir, call me if you have any questions. Send me an email. A post on the forum would be even better, and always like people to use my forum. But anyway, just shoot me an email if you have any questions or problems, and I will get right back to you. And we thank you for watching.